As promised, you will be getting a 4-day video series about how to start your profitable online business, even if you are a beginner. So if you're here right now, I'm willing to bet that you're either having a hard time getting started with your online business, or if you have started, then you're probably a little bit lost with information overload. Now, my job is to educate you, and hopefully throughout these next 4 days, you have a few aha moments and say, Logan, you helped me to understand how to actually do this successfully and to make money online. My name is Logan Cramer. My channel is called The Affiliate Movement. And so this is going to be episode 1. We're going to be talking a little bit more about the business model. Okay. Now, before that, we jump into more of it. I wanted to just introduce myself a little bit more and also how I got into affiliate marketing. So in the next couple of days, we'll be talking more about me, some about the sales process, the tools that you'll be needing, how to drive traffic and find those dream customers to get those consistent daily profits, right? But first, who am I? I'm 28 years old. These are some of my values that I have, family, friends, and serving others. So the more you get to know me, the more you know that I just like to help people. I truly believe this quote from Zig Ziglar: in proportion to how many people that you help, you won't have to worry about yourself anymore. And especially in marketing, as a marketer, an online marketer, all you're doing is helping people solve problems online. And the more you understand that and realize that, the more you'll be compensated. Now, how did I get started in the online world? So I've always been fascinated with online. When I was working at the YMCA, I would come home after work every day and just jump on the computer and research, how to make money online. How can I start to leave the rat race and do something that makes money for me over time, somewhat passively. Really, I had my 1-year-old, I had my son, who was a couple months old at the time, and then also COVID hit, guys. COVID destroyed my business. I was on par to make over $100,000, but when COVID hit, one of my branches completely stopped working. A lot of my sales reps quit. My business I lost 70% of my income. Okay. And it forced me to think differently. So I ended up going back to my roots. I've always liked the concept of affiliate marketing. I learned a lot of those high income skills and I applied it to my job in pest control. So in 10 weeks, I made over $10,000 for me, which was good because I realized, man, this is possible. And I've literally stepped down as a regional manager because now I want to do everything online. Why? Because when I was a regional manager, when I was a door-to-door salesman, I would wake up in the morning, my son would be asleep, a couple months old, and I'd get home and my son would be asleep. I never saw my kid. So I missed half of his life. He's 1 year, he's 1 year and 2 months old right now. So it really just opened my eyes to what is possible out there and that I just wasn't happy, And so, but when I did learn about, things online, I really just had tons of information overload, guys. I would go on YouTube, try to learn from all these gurus. I, opted in all these courses and they would tell me this, tell me that. Drop shipping is the best. I even joined an MLM for a little bit, guys. Don't do that. Stay away from MLMs, in my opinion. It's not for me. I joined all these done for you systems where I'd pay this big sum of money. I had no idea what they were doing. And I never made money. It was difficult. I just needed a more simple business model that actually worked. And so that's when I found, I've always liked the idea of affiliate marketing, and it's very simple. Like you look at this diagram, we as the affiliate, we promote a product or service to a consumer. When they purchase from our specific link, the retailer, whoever it is, pays us a commission for getting that lead, right? Or getting that customer. And so that's just, it sounds really simple and it does get a little bit more complicated than that, but all in a nutshell, that's what is affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people, when I want to give you guys a real life example, I always like to go to Amazon just because Amazon's tangible. People know about it. Everyone knows, likes and trusts Amazon. Now, you can become an affiliate for Amazon. So if you scroll all the way down on the website, it says become an affiliate. You can become an Amazon affiliate. And basically what happens is you can get a link for any item on Amazon. So, and I'll give you guys an example. So if you guys go to YouTube and put in top 10 hiking boots, there's people who make content on YouTube about hiking boots. So they make content on YouTube and then they have links in the description. Anytime you click on one of those links or any links about anything that brings you to Amazon and you purchase, you're giving that content creator or that affiliate a commission. Okay. So again, back to the example. So if I go and say top 10 best hiking boots, I really want to get some hiking boots. I click on the link. It brings me to Amazon and I buy that hiking boot. The person who made that content gets a commission. So it's really cool. So guys, the cool parts about affiliate marketing that's way different than the other ones is, I didn't have to create the product, right? I didn't make the hiking boot. I didn't have to do the customer support, the fulfillment, the shipping, any of that. And I didn't have to hold the inventory. Those three things take a lot of money and effort when you're getting started with any other business model. Okay. So now what really is what do we got? Okay, Logan, I'm an affiliate now, blah, blah, blah. I'm an Amazon affiliate. Now what do? A lot of people just throw their links out there, and a lot of it is trying to find the right people to put the links in front of. Now, do I have to go to Amazon to be an affiliate? Absolutely not, guys. I like to use it as an example because it's very tangible. A lot of people can understand it. But what you really want to do is find products and services that can give you a commission of 30 to 75%. Amazon gives commissions of 2 to 10%. Why? Because they have to store the product, like I said. It's a physical product, so they have to ship it. So that there's not very much margin to give us as affiliates. Now, if you go to different places like ClickBank, like Warrior Plus, like JVZoo, or other affiliate networks, because they're mostly all digital products, now you're talking more commissions between 30 to even 75% commissions. I mean, that sounds insane, right? But that's kind of what we want to do as an affiliate marketer, right? You want to help solve people's problems online, mostly through digital. Why? Because the commissions for you as an affiliate are higher as well. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's great, but I'm sure that they don't have very many things that I could talk about, right? No, there's so many niches. When I say niche, it just means genre or topic, right? So what's the topic of your content? What do you want your online business to be about? That's a niche. So you can, if you're passionate about cooking, you can make that your niche. If you're passionate about fitness, that can be about your niche. Keto, powerlifting, parenting, relationships, marriage, anything like that. Making money online, stocks, trading, whatever you guys want to make content about, you can become an affiliate for that piece of content, and you can become, profitable by referring and suggesting products and services in that niche, and you can make daily, consistent profit. Now, Logan, okay, great. I became an affiliate. Now what do? I got my link. Now what? Now this is where a lot of people get tripped up. This is called the sales process, okay? You need to know how to put this product or service in front of the right people, right? Your dream customers. And like I said, this is where a lot of people kind of get lost. And this is what most people do. This is why most people fail. Because affiliate marketing is very simple, but you still need to know a lot of key things to be successful. So they get their link, they just toss it all over their social media, Instagram, whatever. They don't make any money. They get upset saying, hey, this is a scam. It doesn't work. Didn't work for me. I've done this for 2 weeks now. Logan, I hate this. And they give up. They go to the next shiny object and lose money on the next big thing. Always in a cycle of losing money instead of gaining money. Okay. So this is why the sales process is so important. And so tomorrow for day 2, that is what we'll be diving into, the sales process and helping you make consistent commissions.